So the old framework was trash, so we are making a new one. Hopefully at the end of this week we can get this done. So me and Sin got to work, and honestly, Sin did the most of the work, but we created a new project and got to work. End of the day, we got some good progress. Sin did the whole framework, which took me at least a week to make in just 2 days. Nothing much happened today because we are closing into charismas. But Miss made this move for ULT move animation. And A Forsaken made the sound effects for the move pretty slick. Anyways, our team works a lot, so it would be greatly appreciated if you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button while you're at it too. Well, that's all I have to say for today. Peace. Another day reworking the game. Sin, as always, cooking. Also, thank you guys so much for applying and helping the game development for real. And special thanks to these people who contribute stuff for the game. And honorable mentions today, Robix made this sick move for the game. It's gonna be the 4th move of the game. Doge made VFX for it really slick. That's it for the day. See you tomorrow, I guess.
Your mom hits you with a Chromebook charger in the back of the head?
So today we made 2 moves for Okaroon and added sound effects for some moves as well. A Forsaken, Midnight, and Zertimax made the sound effects, while VFX were made by Doge and Sin scripted them in. And also made ultimate work. That's kind of it for today. See you tomorrow. Yeah, so today we hosted a Christmas event. If you want to join a future event, join the Discord server. It will be down in the description. Anyways, for today, I'm not going to talk, and I'm just going to show you the following footage of what happened. My name is Deez. So today, coming back from Christmas break, we got to work and fixed a lot of bugs and made the game overall polished. Robix made this ult animation.
Sing! Sing! Sing!
Sin started working on adding rocks and shockwaves to moves. We are planning on reworking the first move, the tornado one, to something like this. Nothing much happened today. Sin fixed some bugs, and I made this little shop UI that has like a random dev shows up and...
What about me? Am I in the shop?
Yes, that includes you, Mr. Editor. Yeah, so a random dev shows up in the corner and tells you to buy stuff from the shop.
Yo, man, let's get straight to it.
I was out on a 2-day trip, but these goats still cooking. So today, Sin added a cool new ult move that Robix made. And Axel, who have more subscribes, then me made this sick VFX for when Okaroon goes ult. That's mostly it what they did for today. So moving on to the next day. So today I thought to myself, what better way to end off the video other than a 1v1, am I right? So make sure to subscribe, like join the Discord and all the other stuff. So with that being said, here we go.
Fish.
Alright.
Fish. 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 Fish.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet caves and drown my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake. The moon's got a grudge, it's trying to hold me. My hands won't budge.